Is your Toyota Auris alarm randomly going off? Let's quickly diagnose the main causes. Often, it's a simple fix. First, consider faulty door switches. These detect if a door is open or closed, and dirt, misalignment, or wear can trigger false alarms. Next, check the bonnet sensor under the hood. Corrosion or damage here is common, especially in wet climates. Finally, your key fob could be the problem. Battery depletion, signal interference, or programming errors can prevent it from disarming the alarm. We'll delve into solutions for each of these issues. Here are some DIY fixes you can try. For door switches, clean them thoroughly and ensure proper alignment. WD-40 can help with corrosion. For the bonnet sensor, inspect for corrosion and consider replacing it if necessary. Aftermarket kits are available. As a last resort, try checking the physical condition of the cable to ensure it's not broken or snapped. If it is, get it replaced immediately. Finally, try a key fob reset. Hold the lock button for 5 seconds while inserting the key into the ignition. If that doesn't work, you may need to reprogram the fob or replace the battery. If issues persist, consult a mechanic. Unresolved alarms can drain your battery or damage the ECU.